Hello Coding Ninjas, my name is Saira Mahbood. I am a housewife and I am currently exploring job opportunities. I did MCA from the University of Allahabad in the year 2018. I did BSc in Computer Science from University of Allahabad in the year 2015. And I did my intermediate and high school from ISC and ICSC board respectively. I help two of my nephews in their studies. One of them is in class 7th and the other is in class 8th. Mainly I focus on computer and mathematics. Yes, I believe it's a good idea to teach coding to kids because kids who learn to code at a very young age can set themselves up for a lifetime of opportunities. I have a 1-year-old daughter and in the near future she will be starting her schooling. So if I teach at Coding Ninjas and I will be teaching kids, so it will help me a lot in understanding the minds of the children so that I will be able to teach my own child in the near future. Recently I interviewed for White Hat Junior and I got selected for the first round and I gave my first demo round, but when I got 100% I got overconfident and I thought it's very easy and I can do that. So for the next round, when I gave that round, I got so overconfident that I didn't revise that much. I didn't read carefully what was written in the PDF, and that's why my application was rejected and I got 27% in the demo 2. And that time I realized that it's not good to be overconfident at any point of time, and I need to give 100% at every step in my life, and that's the motivation I got from my failure. I can dedicate 4 to 5 hours per day at Coding Ninjas. I love pushing the edge and learning new things every day, be it cooking, dancing, or building Android apps, website development. I have done them all and I have loved them all, and I am still continuing to grow as a person. I tend to be overly critical of myself. Whenever I complete a task, I think that I might have done better even if I receive a positive response. But over the past few years, I have understood that I need to appreciate my achievements and I need to appreciate the support systems who are behind me in whatever I do. I am definitely suitable for this job because I've always dreamt of becoming a teacher. I love teaching, and moreover when it comes to computer, I love coding because I am from computer background. I love coding, and plus I love kids. So when it comes to teaching kids and that too coding, I think I might be perfect for the job. I have no job commitments as of now because I'm a housewife. I have a child, she's 1 year old, and I need to take care of my child and my family, and that's it. A loop is something that continuously repeats itself unless a specific condition is met. For example, we continue to be in our school unless we pass 12th standard. As soon as we pass the 12th standard, we move on to the college. So we always are in a loop. When we are in the first standard, we go to the second standard, then we go to the third standard, and at each step we find that we have not passed the intermediate, and as soon as we pass the 11th we go to the intermediate, and in that intermediate we pass 12th standard, then we can move on to the college. This is called loop. A function is something that does a particular task. For example, rubber and pencil. What does a pencil do? A pencil writes when we start writing, and a rubber rubs when we want to erase what we have written. So the function of a pencil becomes writing onto a paper, and the function of an eraser becomes rubbing what the pencil has written. So everything has a specific function, that is, everything is designed to do a particular task.